Hello, this is the Primer 100. Today I'll be reviewing Transformers Revenge of the Fallen Deluxe Class Sidesweep. Hold on, as you all know, Sideswipe in Shanghai, if you haven't seen the movie, you're either stuck in a cave, don't have any money, and if you want to hear this, you're in for some spoilers. Y'all know that Sideswipe chases sideways through Shanghai, jabs his blade into it, then I think gets his blade ripped off. Then Sideways is still driving. Sideswipe comes up to him, jabs his blade into him, slashes down the middle, then just stops and says, "Damn, I'm good." He's a fast action battler. I did a review on him. I think it was soundless because I thought my microphone was broken. Here's the review of him. He's a very nice car. It's just dark gray plastic. Because they don't have plastic of this nice, scratched. Transform him. Pull these out. Pull these out to the side. Could just take these off for robot mode, but it's not in the spirit of Transformers. Feet. Twist. Flip. The heel. Same with the other foot. And the heel again. Flip out the hands. Flip out the hands. Flip the blades out. Then flip this up. First, take the waist, pull it down. There's a button here. Wait. This button activates the head, and it's activated by jamming this in. This is optional, but flip that in. And if you don't like kibble, just fold it like this. Then I'm gonna get him in a cool pose. Just stare at Megatron. Customized and broken by my evil sister. Ow. And she just hit me. Ah! Get off of me! Get off me! Help! This is a distress call! Help! Ah! Well, here's the pose. Yeah. Oh no, not Hannah Montana. What happened to your hair? Okay. What? She's weird.
I dyed it orange.
She has a retarded voice too. Well, peace out.